guys, it's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Please do well to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make pizza using tortilla. So guys, let's jump right in. Pour in some olive oil. Fry garlic and onions for some seconds. Thereafter, pour in a mixture of homemade tomato paste with turmeric, basil, black pepper, and seasoning powder. Depending on the total number of tortilla that will be used, but in this video I used 4. Bind each of the tortilla by glazing the surface with whisked egg and cheese. Mayonnaise and black pepper as white sauce. Begin with pizza sauce while toppings follows. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. There you go. Tortilla pizza is ready. So yummy. Thank you for spending your precious time with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.